Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be showing you some of the features and benefits of the Fiat Doblo Tecnico. Like all our vehicles, this van has undergone 128 inspection points by AA and it's covered under their warranty for the first 3 months, plus you get roadside assistance included for the first year with a single call-out. You can obviously extend both warranty and roadside assistance here at the dealership. We also applied a triple layer of Gardex nano coat over the paint to make sure no tree sap, acidity or rain will affect it for time to come. This specific exemplar is in the Tecnica trim and it's painted in white. Part of the Tecnica package level is the front fog lights, the street design for the wheel trims, the color-coded mirror cap covers. Then going over to the rear, the vehicle has barn-style opening doors with a 2/3 split design, parking sensors over the rear bumper, and over to the curb side, you have this sliding door, which is also secured with an external lock. Let's take a look at the boot now. Once you access the rear, you can notice you have full wood ply lining over the panels and the doors, a full metal bulkhead, and the wheel arches are also encased in box housings to get you an even shape of the cargo hold, and then you also have 6 anchorage points at the bottom to secure all your cargo. Size-wise, you have 121 centimeters in between the wheel arches, 128 centimeters up to the lowest point of the roof, being the center line, and then you have an extensive 166 centimeters of fully usable space in depth. Let's take a look into the cabin now. The cabin is split in 2 independent seats with adjustable headrests. Both seats are fully adjustable, while the driver's seat is also fitted with lumbar support and an armrest over to the left side. Over the roofline, you have a quite clever storage solution shelf spanning the whole width of the vehicle. And then once you get in, you can appreciate another bit of the Tecnico pack, which is the honeycomb finish over the trim on the dashboard and the predisposition for a phone holder, which you can find on any Fiat or Mopar catalog. Once you take possession of the driver's seat, you have an analog dashboard with digital trip computer. Over to the left, you have the classic lighting stalk, and underneath the cruise control settings, which is part of the Tecnico pack. To the right, you have the wiper stalk, which also holds the controls for the trip computer. And then over the multifunction steering wheel, you have the voice commands and infotainment control, plus the phone and more infotainment controls over to the right. The steering wheel column is adjustable in depth and height. And then you can find the adjustable mirror settings over the A-pillar and the power windows control over to the right-hand side. The radio is an AM/FM radio with MP3 capability and a CD player. It's also fitted with both an USB port and an AUX port to connect your phone, and then you can also use the aforementioned phone control over the steering wheel. Underneath you have more controls. You have the classic dials for the lights, rear fog lights, front fog lights, and the height adjustment of the beam. Then you have the heated mirror setting, and then the air conditioning unit just underneath. Going a bit down the center console, you have the AUX port and USB port. and then the toggles for the auto start and stop, and the traction control toggle. This vehicle is fitted with a 5-gear transmission. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Fiat Doblo panel van. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.